Chapter 1. The Old Sea Dog at the Admiral Benbow. You hear him before you see him. Thump, thump, thump. Heavy boots on the road outside, slow and steady, like someone who expects the whole world to step aside and let him through. You pause. The inn holds its breath. Thump, thump, thump. Then the door swings wide open with a great big bang, and in he steps. He is enormous. Not just tall, not just wide, but the kind of big that makes a room feel smaller just by walking into it. His coat is old and stained with salt from the sea. His face is rough and weathered like a cliff battered by 100 storms, and right across one cheek runs a long pale scar, jagged like a bolt of lightning frozen on his skin. You can't stop staring at it. He drags something behind him, a huge battered old sea chest that scrapes across the floor with a long horrible grrr sound. Every head in the inn turns to look. Nobody speaks. The man peers slowly around the room, squinting like he's sizing the whole place up. Then he grins. It's not a friendly grin.